What looks like a small fillet can quietly double your machining time. This is a CNC milled protective housing machined from 6061 aluminum, used in mechanical equipment and automotive components. The main issue wasn't tolerance, it was overly small internal fillet radii. Small radii force smaller tools, slower feed, and longer cycle times. After reviewing functional requirements, we confirmed that those fillets were non-critical. By increasing the transition radius, we enabled larger cutters and more efficient toolpaths. The part still meets ISO 2768M tolerances and RA 3.2 surface finish, with significantly reduced machining time. Small design details matter. Early engineering discussion turns machining problems into cost and lead time advantages. How would you machine this part?